So here we have the Blackview dash cam that we're going to install. This is the camera itself. This component right here comes in 3 pieces. It falls apart really easily, but it holds on as well, so there's no issues with durability. This will go attach on the side. It helps to hide the cable that we need when we're going to be adjusting everything up here. So first, let's just start pulling this apart so that we can get to the cables. Once we have access to that, it's just a matter of unplugging and replugging the cables that we're working with. There's one in here up top. This is the power. We reroute it to the harness right here that we went over. Use the harness power cable. Attach it to where we found the other one. Now that is all good to go. Wherever there's space, just tuck away the cables, especially for cable maintenance. It'll be easier to put stuff in the empty gaps for later. When we put this back on, it'll make your life a lot easier. So wherever there's space, go ahead and just tuck things away. And then we're going to need to thread the cable through. It'll come out to the side. Put the back plate on. This is just so that there's no unsightly items hanging about. And then it'll go flush against the top. That way there's nothing hanging around. This slides right on. Cable for power into the dash cam. This is a clip-on, so nothing to do there. For the sake of the video, we're only going to use half of the adhesive, but please use the full thing. Right around here, out of the way of the mirror, but still out of the driver's eye line, and still can catch everything in front. This can be tucked away right above. That can be done more cleanly with more time, but for the sake of this video, that's generally what it'll look like. Dash cam setup. Now we just need to cover this. There should be some empty gaps here and there, so wherever you find that to be more convenient, just tuck things away. This is usually the hardest part, but we'll see. So make sure everything is aligned and slides into place. If the cables won't give way, then just tuck them wherever you can. Find more rooms for gaps, but it's okay as long as it fits. Nice. So as long as the sides are all flush without any gaps, that means you're good to go. The cable should run through here up the top. If you want less space here, you can just take this off and go closer up. But that is the general installation.